Hello Year 10 and welcome to this week's assembly. It's been a great week of weather and things, so I hope you've taken advantage of that and been out on your bike rides and walks and things like that, but also respecting social distancing. Now this week we know we've started the masterclasses in school for those students, and I've had some amazing feedback from staff, from senior team as well, saying how incredibly well you've done and how you've coped with what's going on. So we're all really proud of you and keep that up, well done. Don't worry if you've not been able to make it into school, however, for those masterclasses, because don't forget Miss Cooper and Miss Faulkner have asked me to remind you about the English lessons that are taking place. The live English lesson on Monday the 29th of June, and that's at 2 o'clock as well. It is run through Microsoft Teams, so if you've not downloaded that, it's going to be a great tool, as I said last week, for multiple lessons as well. For performing arts, we're going to be using it, and there's some others across school, so make sure you download that. It can be used on an iPad, any tablet, a computer as well, so get that as soon as possible if you can, please. As I said, I'm going to be using it, and as of next Friday, so that's the 3rd of July at 2 o'clock, I'm going to be doing a live class as well for my Year 10 Performing Arts students. So can you make sure you're on there? I've already sent a message out on there and an invite, so you might see something pop up on there. Don't worry about that yet, that's for next week. Miss Smith asked me in music to remind you about you checking your emails as well. She's been running some classes through there. She's not had some responses from a few of you, so you could please email her back and just keep checking those emails, because that's the way that Miss Smith's finding best to communicate with her music class at the moment. So keep checking that, please. Miss Stables as well in art's been sending some emails. She's still not heard from a few of you. Can you please make sure you're responding to staff, just so they know that you're getting the work and that you're accessing that. If there's any problems, please get in touch with one of us. Now I'm going to hand you over now at this point to Miss Atkin, who's got some more messages and announcements for you as well. Miss Atkin, it's over to you.
Morning Year 10, hope you're all okay. Just a quick one from me this week. Hope you are all safe and well. It was lovely to see all the students that were in yesterday for their masterclasses and for their mentoring sessions. So that was great. It was nice to see more of you as well, instead of just individual ones coming in like it was last week. So yeah, that was fantastic. Hope you've all found them really useful, and we'll see you all again next week for those. For those of you that are still at home, hope you're all cracking on okay with your work. If you're having any trouble with it, please do let me or Mr Utley know, and we can try and help you out. But yeah, just everybody keep doing what you're doing really well. Okay, I've got some nominations to put in as well, and I know Mr Utley's got some to read out to you as well. So we'll start off with languages, and Miss Waywell. She would like to mention Emily Gledhill for consistently sending work in. Well done, I'm so proud of you. So well done, Emily. That's from Miss Waywell. James Llewellyn from the same class. Consistently completing work. Well done, James. And Ellie Haig, well done on completing the online learning task. So well done, you three, from Miss Waywell and from myself and Mr Utley, of course. Citizenship mention from Mr Chettelberg, Emily Gledhill, for good work. So well done for you on that one. English, Miss Haig, we've got Evie Bell, Lucy Guilfoyle and Kelly Norton, so well done to you three. From Miss Wharton, we've got Nathan Brandt for completing every task every week, so well done Nathan, excellent, keep it up. Chloe Brewster for consistently trying her hardest in a task, so well done Chloe. Jade Folignani for her positive attitude throughout lockdown, so well done to you three from Miss Wharton and from us. Then we've got Miss Small, and we have Courtney Venables and Katie Harris for outstanding artist samples and for working hard and producing quality coursework for your art textiles. So well done, you two girls, consistently doing brilliant work in your lessons, girls. So well done, that's fantastic. Mrs Headley in English would like to nominate Lily Gill, Isabel Murphy, Carly Knight, Dempsey Bell, Jack Booler, Jaden Palmer, Charlotte Hines and Liam Bryans. Again, consistently getting your names mentioned in English, guys, so well done from us three. Mr Finlay in History, he'd like to mention Jack Stables. Well done, Jack. I know you're working really hard, and I know Mr Finlay's been supporting you really well, and you're grateful for that. Mr Finlay would also like to mention all the students that were in Bubble A that were in this week. He says you were an absolute credit to yourselves and you worked really hard on Monday in your history lessons. So a big well done from him. And of course, fantastic. It's great to hear that you were all engaging well in the masterclasses. And one more from me, computer science, Kelly Norton and Robert Jenner. So well done to you two for those. Keep it up, guys. There is lots of work for you to be completing online, so just complete it as and when you can. Send it in. That's the important thing. Don't forget to send it in to your teachers. Again, reminder, English lesson. I know Mr Utley's covered that about the one on Monday for 2 o'clock. Please get yourselves involved. Don't forget to download Microsoft Teams. And again, if you need anything over the weekend, just drop me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. A little bit of a weather change for today, hopefully getting some rain to water the garden, so that'll be nice. But enjoy your weekend, Year 10, and I shall see some of you on Thursday. And like I say, always keep in touch. It's lovely to hear from you all. All right, take care and I'll see you soon.
Thank you for that, Miss Atkin. I'm now going to say a few announcements as well that staff have emailed me. I'm going to start with Mr Robson. I'm going to keep looking down because they're all down here. So Mr Robson has sent a massive well done to the contributions to the students been in the masterclasses, because he's been in school in one of those, in particular Ruby H, Beth T, Thomas M and Harry W. Well done, you've been working really hard in school and it's good to hear that as well. Miss Wilson in food has said that Madison S, Evie B, Madison H, Jade F, Caden N, Luke H, Lily P and Neve Duty. You've done some amazing stuff, and you also attended that Teams class. I bet it was great. I bet there's a right laugh on there this week, Miss Wilson. But she's also said, and Miss Allen as well, the other hospitality students that haven't checked their emails, can you please check those as well, because they're trying to get in touch with you. Also, Mrs Wharton in English would like to add that Nathan B has been accomplishing and completing all the tasks that she set every week in English so far, and she wants to say a massive well done to you. She also would like to add that Chloe B has been trying her hardest every single week, and that's been recognised by Miss Wilson. Massive well done there, Chloe. Jade F for a positive attitude throughout lockdown. Really good to hear that, Jade, that we're keeping positive, and that's what we need to do. We know it's a tricky time, but keeping positive is what we need to do. Yeah. So then we're moving on to Mr Stones now in PE, and he would like to say a massive well done to Liam W, Cullen L, Levi D, Charlotte J and Morgan C, and that's for all your OCR coursework. You've been handing that in, and he's been very pleased with that, so well done. Now on to Mrs Oates in dance. So she said that Charlotte H and Ellie H are producing some very high standards of work this week. She also had a chat with me this week about she'd given you some work looking at reflecting and feeding back on some performances and some different dance styles and things, and you'd were coming up with some really great ideas and some great feedback, so well done there, girls. Really good work going on. Now, Mr O'Keefe in geography would like to say that Kelly N, Evie B and Beth T are working really hard and completing all tasks that is set. Well done there, girls. And that's it from me this week. Some amazing feedback from staff and some great work going off both in school and out of school, so we need to keep that up. Well done. What I want you to do is, the general consensus from this and things that I'm getting from staff is that you need to keep checking your emails and do that every single day, because we don't want you missing out on anything that's being set. And if you do need any help, or there's something maybe you can't get on Teams, or you're struggling to find it, email me or Miss Atkin and we can send you links out and things like that, and we'll get that sorted as soon as we can. So that's it from me. I want you to enjoy the rest of your week. I hope the weather stays nice, because it's been absolutely brilliant for us all, and I'll look forward to hearing from you all next week. Have a good week, guys.